Hey everyone, have you ever wondered, is PayPal free for Canadians? Well, today I'm diving into the details to clear up any confusion. First things first, PayPal is absolutely free to use in Canada for domestic transfers and payments. That means if you're sending money to friends or family, or even making a purchase within Canada, you won't have to worry about any fees. Pretty sweet, right? But hold on a second. There's more to know. While domestic transactions are free, some transactions do come with fees. For example, if you're making an international payment or converting currency, PayPal will charge you for that. These fees can vary, so it's always good to check PayPal's fee schedule before making these types of transactions. Now, if you're running a business, PayPal has a different fee structure. Accepting payments for goods and services does come with a small fee. This is pretty standard across all payment processors, so no surprises here. It's a small price to pay for the convenience and security PayPal offers. So to sum it up, Canadians can absolutely use PayPal, and for the most part, it's free for personal use within the country. Just be mindful of those international and currency conversion fees. I hope this clears up any questions you had. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Stay awesome, Canada!